Myself Chayashree, branch first year CSC, startup company proposed name Eternal Infinity, product present name Sofa, product proposed name Adapto Comfort Tech Sofa. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Tech-enabled integrated storage. Define, based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of customers, many few features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Sofa, futuristic product name Adapto Comfort Tech Sofa. Ideate, some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Sensors, built-in charging pads, speaker, power bank. Prototype. In the prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.